You get a rejection sticker. You get a rejection sticker. Everyone gets a rejection sticker. Why do I keep getting rejection stickers? Because in my beautiful state, the government has mandated that every inspector station now be equipped with high-definition cameras. And some lard ass at the government is actually watching those cameras. So now what happens is, they'll fail you for f***ing anything. Me? I just failed for some parking lights on my Subaru. I didn't even know I had them. But here's the thing. How much money is this costing us, taxpayers? All those cameras, hiring all those people to actually watch the damn cameras, when instead they could have spent all that money to fix the roads, which would actually have a sizable impact on safety, because this is all about safety, right? Not having to deal with potholes, and it's not blowing up my tie rods and all my bushings. That's actually a good thing. My car becomes objectively safer because my wheels aren't about to fall off and I'm not about to lose steering. So what is this really about? Show you how to replace the parking lights on a 2006 Subaru Forester. Should be good for 2003 to 2008. The parking light is right here, and there's technically a second one, I believe, but they didn't give me any grief over it. I believe it's in here. The light itself is a 168. I'll leave a link in the description for this. Let's roll back this wheel well here. Yeah, there it goes. Come on in. Make space. Two cables there, we want the upper one. You grab it, you twist it counterclockwise, and it pops right out. See, there it is. I'm gonna yank this out. That's gone. New bulb in. You don't want to touch it with your greasy hands. That shortens the lifespan of it. Okay. And we twist clockwise to put it in. Let's fold this crap back. Test that out, see if it actually worked. Yeah, indeed. The second one is here, and you can access it through here. In order to access that, we're just gonna pry this up, make just enough space for that. That's how you do it. You pry up on these, you don't pry up on the holders. Ah, got it. Out. Push that back in there. You need like dwarf-sized fingers for this. Not fun. If you can reach with your fingers, it's just enough space to pinch it, twist out, and then same way and counterclockwise back in. Ah, good as new. There, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Bit of a left light here. Side marker in here. Rinse and repeat on the other side, and hopefully you will now pass inspection. Hopefully this doesn't ruin your fucking day like it did for me. If this was useful to you, obliterate that subscribe button, press that like button, and see you next time.